I went to Canopy World and they charged me 65 bucks, and I was able to get both a brand new third brake light, which I don't know if you can see it from here. It's from American Technologies Components Inc. And it's exactly like the one that was on the Canopy, so we'll figure out where this all goes. They also sold me, I think this was like 10 bucks or so. So it's me together anyways. But and this is pretty important because this is how I was gonna make it the cleanest way possible. So out of your canopy, you have this little guy. We'll go in here just like that, and then I'll wire these guys up to my tail light. Okay, let's get started. I asked the tech guy, and he told me that on these wires, the brown goes to the brake, the green is ground, and yellow is your dome light. So first things first, we're gonna want to replace this bad boy, and from what I'm reading, it's on 3M tape. I don't show up. Mine has mine does not have a screw, so it's just on 3M tape. We're gonna get this guy out carefully without scratching the paint and put the new one in with silicone. I'm just using one of these guys. I'm just being very careful when I went down. I'm just going very slow, and it comes out pretty easy. I mean, it's holding up on 3M tape, so let me see if I can get a little better exposure on this guy. So again, it comes off pretty easy. That's where we're going to put in the silicone, right in there. And as you can see, all this moisture, I mean, I'm going to get a new one since I'm still going to be wiring it. Alright, so now that it's back on, this is going to stay here. This is where we connected it to. We're going to hide that up in here. In order to take off the tail light, you need to take off this guy, and this guy. What you want to do is this green, maybe you don't see it, this green and red one, that's your brake. That's the one you want to connect the brown to. Your yellow is going to go for your dome. That's going to go all the way to a battery so you can turn it on anytime. Make sure you don't forget to turn it off. And the green, this is ground.